Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have iPhone 11 Pro Max and it's quite a big phone compared to iPhone 11 Pro. We have iPhone 11 Pro also here. So iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, I didn't find much difference. This one was released in 2019 and I think so, I'm not sure about this date, but this one was released in 2019, probably somewhere in September. But as you can see, iPhone 11 Pro Max is quite a longer and bigger device than this. The display is good, my battery is not charged, but anyway, this phone is quite good. We're just gonna get into the project menu. So let's get into the topic. So the topic is that how we get into the project menu and how we're gonna check the battery health of iPhone 11 Pro Max. So in order to do that, we have to open the dialer and dial star 3001 hash 12345 hash star, and then you can dial. Okay, this is your project menu, and in the project menu you can see these details like these serving cell information and like cell resell parameters. These are the resell parameters and serving cell info and system files. That type of information you will get it into the project menu. The other code we can dial, it's that how to check the IMEI number of iPhone 11 Pro Max star hash 06 hash. Here you can see EID and IMEI 1, IMEI 2. This is dual SIM card phone. Look like, I'm just gonna make sure, is this a dual SIM card phone? Because I'm here, we are having two IMEI numbers, IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. So we gonna take the SIM card out. Now this is a single SIM card phone. Unfortunately, this is a single SIM card phone, but I can see two IMEI numbers. So, but anyway, the software will show you the two IMEIs, and it's using a single SIM card SIM tray. But anyway, this phone is quite good to use and for gaming like PUBG, Call of Duty, Free Fire, and that type of games you can play very nicely. Apple will never disappoint you when it comes to gameplay and using your phone, especially when it comes to speed of the phone. It will never disappoint you. So we recommend buy iPhone 11 Pro Max if you have a budget. So thanks for watching.